Hey guys, welcome to my video today. If I seem a bit dressed up, it's because I have an event to go to now. It's a Sweet 16, and yeah, if you're from the New York area, you kind of know how we do weddings and parties. It's a little bit much. I mean, people I know who are not from the area and used to like say we are insane. We kind of go all out with weddings and things like that. It's at a big hall, DJ music, you know, really get dressed up. But anyway, my hair did come out really good today. I'm not gonna lie, like I did put a lot of product in for that reason, but I just want to, like, I don't know, I want to make it a little more elegant, a little more neater looking, a little more fancier. So how do I do it? Okay, so how do I do it? I'm gonna use this curling iron, and normally I would use my wand, but I don't know, that seemed a little too thick, so I wanted more smaller curls. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start. I did a couple up here already because I didn't know that my camera died. So I did do a couple of those. So now I'm just gonna go down below and I'm gonna get some under here because I want, see, they don't really curl too much under here, like naturally. I mean, it does, but I want to just get a curl pattern going. And again, this just makes it look, not that my hair looks messy, but you see, it just makes it look neat. Just to grab some, like here, like there's a lot of curls. I want to get like bigger curls. I guess you could call it that. I want bigger curls, not so much smaller curls. So, and I feel like the wand, sometimes that might give me too big of a curl where it's like, oh no, now I don't have like any curls. So I thought I would just use, I'm gonna go this way now. I thought I would just use thin curling iron. I have, it's like one of the thinner curling irons that I have. So I'm not going crazy. I just want to make it a little more elegant looking. Just play with it some more. Let me go over here, grab, switching. So I'll grab this. Which way is that? That actually wants to go this way, so I'm not gonna argue. And I'm just gonna roll it up. And literally that's all I'm doing. I'm just, you can use your curling iron to just like neaten the curls up. And like if your curls come out frizzy, just go use the curling iron. I'll tell you, years ago, had to be like 15 years ago, I let a hairdresser convince me to get like a treatment in my hair, like a relaxer. Oh, I don't want to burn my hair. Like a relaxer, and it was terrible. It ruined my hair, and it was at the point as it was coming out, I had like lightning bolts for curls. Like it was so bad. So like every day I had to go in for work and use the curling iron. And it was so ridiculous. Like people were like, oh, how'd you get your nice, you know, is that your natural curls? I'm like, well, I have naturally curly hair, but I had to use the curling iron every morning. So I never did that again. But that was, you know, now there are better treatments. As you know, if you've seen, I've done the keratin, but not to keep it straight. Keep it curly. So let me get under here. I'm gonna get some of these little scragglies. See that? I'm just gonna, see that's going that way, so that's good. And I'm just gonna curl it up a little. Again, it's just simple little curls. You could do the whole head if you want, like, I have a lot of hair though. So I'm not gonna do that. I was debating on straightening this section actually. But I can't really, that works better with the wand. So let me see what I could do with this. Maybe I'll just do that. I do kind of, boom, go the wrong way. So I do kind of like to have that, just that front section a little straight, maybe curled at the end only. Let's see how that looks. Now I have to play with that. See what I did? Like I kind of straighten that with the curling iron. Let me curl it in the end a little more because I don't like the way that looks. Just want to curl the end on that in the front part. I was debating on maybe blowing out just this little piece right here, maybe making it straight. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how this looks. Because I do like to have like, oh, that's good. Well, get my hairspray. So my husband just told me we're gonna be late, so I'm just gonna spray it. Get that curl. See that? So I did, again, because my battery died, I did do some without you seeing, but just to show you that you can get more of an elegant look to your hair using a curling iron, even if you have curly hair. We could use curling irons too. And yeah. So then you just play with it and you can separate the curls, do more as you need. And yeah, I mean, I think this looks pretty good. I really fixed that in there because it was kind of like, I don't know, like underneath it gets a little like that. So yeah, and you know what? I'm gonna throw on a little more highlighter because I gotta like go now. Okay, so I think I'm good to go, and that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and hope you have a great night.